Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So today on the Euro dollar, we did get a pretty significant little push down. Now on the 4-hour time frame, I'm not really confident that this is the big trend reversal back to the downside. I mean, it really looks like one, two, three. It kind of looks like this is a wave four and perhaps it's going to go back up for a wave five, maybe hitting these fib levels, or possibly going all the way back up and breaking structure to the upside. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I currently have my Fibonacci retracement on what could end up being a wave three. Like I said, this could be a one, this could be a two, this could be a three. I was saying this morning that if we did get a break of structure to the downside, we definitely want to start looking for shorts because it could also be an A, a B, and a C. So I would definitely recommend looking for shorts right now, but if it does three waves down like this, then turns back up at a Fibonacci level, definitely stop looking for shorts because that would be a wave forward and back up for a wave five. On the other hand, if it makes very impulsive moves to the downside while you're looking for shorts, like this, eventually going down and breaking this low, that definitely would be the confirmation of the ABC we would be looking for. And if you're looking for shorts and it does that, then that's like a bonus. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.